Morning, everybody. The other morning I came in and was inspecting the line and saw that all the squid ink printers kind of gnarly and dirty, and that these cubbies were empty of the things that they're supposed to have in them. So instead of getting upset about it, I realized that I had not formalized this process. This mistake is my own, so we are going to correct that today and save ourselves at least 2 seconds every day by using this thing as it was designed and not having to walk all the way over there every time we need a roll of boxing tape for our machine. So this is the old finishing task check sheet for the end of the day, and you'll notice that I don't have anything on there about cleaning those machines or restocking the cubbies. So it's intuitive to me to do that because I built the cubbies and I came up with the design for them, but that's not how this works. We need to practice what is called Poka Yoke, which is error-proofing the process. So Megan redesigned this for me, and all I had to do was add these two things on here. We're going to restock the rolling cubbies, and we're going to clean the printers. We're going to do it every day, and that'll make sure that those printers keep running as they should, and we're going to save ourselves all that time by walking back and forth to get the tape. And again, this is my fault because I didn't formalize this process. I didn't error-proof it, and part of lean is leading by example. So I'm going to walk the guys through this today, give them the expectation in the sheet, and we'll keep an eye on it.